Dinosaurs are fascinating. Will Jurassic Park work? No. Jurassic Park by Crichton has, of course, stirred the interest in dinosaurs worldwide, and that's fine. But the premise will not work, even though we now are able to retrieve dinosaur skin, soft tissue, including DNA. I spoke this week with a scholar who within the next 2 months will get his PhD in the particular specialty having to do with collagen, living material, in dinosaur fossils. Wow, we can do that, but you can't make a dinosaur from that. You might get the DNA analyzed with a program like the human genome. Will give a potential perhaps of analyzing the genome of dinosaurs, certain dinosaurs. But you need a lot more than that to produce a dinosaur. You cannot take the amniotic fluids of a frog egg and insert dinosaur DNA and produce a dinosaur. It self-aborts because all living systems are extremely specific. So in order to see living dinosaurs in the future, unless the Creator wants to come back and create more, but He doesn't need to do that because He's already created dinosaurs, and there are some of them tucked away. I've led 3 scientific expeditions into the jungles of Papua New Guinea in search of living pterodactyls. We made 5 sightings after dark. These creatures are bioluminescent, that is, they glow at will. There are numerous creatures. Glowworms, for instance, is a particular phase, and these glowworms glow in the dark. There are many other bioluminescent creatures. Beetles, a number of beetles glow in the dark, etc. And pterodactyls in Papua New Guinea, Ropen and Dewas, have been sighted hundreds of times. We interviewed nationals that had personally encountered them. I mean, reputable nationals, school teachers, pastors, reputable people who had personally seen these creatures. One was scavenging a lady's garden just before daybreak, and the lady wanted to go out and harvest the garden for breakfast. So she walked up, and how would you like to walk between rows, and all of a sudden a creature standing about 4 feet tall went squawk like that. Well, there's only one thing to do, that's to run the other way. But we interviewed individuals involved in that actual sighting. We made 5 sightings after dark, but we could not get close to them at all. We were able to find their webbed footprints in the mud the next morning, webbed footprints, claw marks about 2.5 feet ahead of that, the curved tail and the rump impression that was positioned in the mud, and a flange, a triangular flange on the end of that tail. If we have scholars, we had a zoologist present this morning, if we have biologists involved in this work, and particularly zoologists, you'll recognize that other than marine creatures, the only thing known in biological natures to have a triangular flange on the tail are the rhamphorhynchid pterodactyls.